Do you want to do this?
And cookies, yeah.
And cookies. Okay.
Oh my gosh! Santa got what I want.
What?
Yes!
I don't know. Maybe it's a refrigerator.
What does it? Alright. Let's get Brother Joshua say hello. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is the Turbo Timber Evolution 1.5 millimeter.
Okay.
And I'm gonna open it up right now so you guys can actually see.
Okay.
This thing is huge.
And who got it for you?
Santa.
Santa. Okay. It was a Christmas present.
Yeah.
I need help.
Yeah, help me a little bit.
Okay. Can you
This
pull?
thing is huge.
Pull. No, não consegue pull, não?
No,
We need a little extra hands.
little extra.
A little bit.
Okay.
Oh.
Oh, slide it out. Bring it up.
Oh. Can you pull like
Pull.
this? Yeah.
Pull it.
There. Hold it.
3 people.
Hold it.
Hold it. There we go.
You're kidnapping.
Right.
Oh.
Oof, it's big.
Alright, now let's
Okay.
get off the tape. This thing is.
Pull. Yeah, it kind of hard.
It's kind of hard.
Wow.
Let's get out the wings.
Okay, what is that? That's the
the
wings.
wings.
Okay.
It's stuck. It's stuck. Wait. This kind of stuck. Okay, I got the first part.
Okay, and what is that? It's the back part.
Yes, one of the back
Okay.
parts.
Okay, one of the wings out.
Beautiful.
Beautiful. What is that?
It's this
Ah,
part.
this is the flaps.
No, it's the ailerons.
Oh,
This flaps.
okay. All right, let's keep it up. Unboxing.
Yeah, let's keep unboxing. We need help.
O papai vai help. Vai pegar uma
We
tesoura.
have one of the poles. Oh my gosh, I can already feel. Oh, this is the propeller.
É, tem que esperar.
It's a prop.
O papai pegou a tesoura.
All right. Cut. Cut it. Cut.
Okay.
Be careful, it's fragile.
Agora isso aqui. Oh, okay. Flip it out. All right. Should I plastic? Plastic.
These are the sticks to the flying back.
Mm-hmm.
I recommend.
Ooh. What do you recommend?
I recommend flying 2 planes before you actually get to this plane
Yeah.
because it says
Definitely.
level 2. It says level 2, so maybe a bit dangerous.
Yeah, and
Oh,
that's
yeah.
the instructions.
Here's the other wing,
The other
the
one.
beautiful other wing.
Okay,
All right.
thank you. Ok, né? Põe assim por enquanto. There we
Yeah.
go.
All right.
Okay, what else do we have for that?
We have the body,
Oh,
the main body.
oh. Okay.
That. Be careful. I need a bit of help.
There we go.
Perfect. Now take off like the little part. Oh, so clean.
Nice and beautiful.
Wait, don't pull it. Don't
Okay,
pull it.
I won't.
There's something stuck.
Oh, okay. Wait a minute, papai vai te ajudar. Tirar esse. Is it broke?
Looks like. What is that for?
I have no idea. Okay.
Cut it. Use the scissors.
What it says there.
I don't know.
Parking only.
Packing only.
Oh, no. Packing. Packing only. Okay. Wow, it's beautiful.
Alright. Let's start.
And
Alright,
then what else do we
wheels.
have here?
Wheels.
Wheels.
Take that off.
Cortar, papai. Tesoura.
I don't know what this is for.
Okay, that's one wheel. Cuidado, filho. Two wheels.
And this.
Propeller. Olha lá, baby, ó. Propeller.
Yes.
Noise.
And thank goodness
There's a propeller.
they added something
Mm-hmm.
like this.
And what is this?
It's magnetic.
A parte de
magnetic.
baixo dele?
It's magnetic.
Oh,
Look.
it's magnetic? Very cool. Tem um hominho aí dentro?
Huh?
Tem hominho?
No,
Não?
it's just a normal leg.
Ok.
You can't see.
Oh. What is this?
What is that part?
That's the float. That's a float. Whenever you're going to a lake and then
Oh.
yeah.
That's cool.
Yeah, don't destroy it. Think about it.
What's that?
But I don't know what this part was.
Who knows?
I don't know what this
Find
part.
out. Where's the
We will find out soon. And there's another one.
What?
And there's another thing.
Yeah, we're gonna have to buy the controller only. Only the controller, and then we're ready to fly.
Yeah.
We need a new controller, sir.
You need a controller and a receiver, right?
Yeah. Just fix this rudder.
Here. Another one.
Yeah, that's the other.
And that's this too.
whatever it is.
This.
No idea. Stuff. All right, all the parts are here.
All right, now let's start building.
Okay, see you later.
Bye. See you when we're done building.
Okay, bye.